Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay ang mga nakatatanda naman ang dumalaw sa lugar ng ating mga kasangbahay sa Members Church of God International dito sa Singapore. Ayon sa National Trade Union Congress o NTUC Health, ang institusyong nangangalaga, hiling ng ating mga lolo at lola dito na sila naman ang makapamasyal at makadalaw sa MCGI na karaniwang bumibisita sa kanila.
Member of Church of God International have been with us for more than 4 years. So I think it's a time for us to express our appreciation. That is the reason why we asked to visit you.
Maaga pa lamang masaya nang naghintay ang mga ito upang ihatid sila sa bagong venue ng kanilang outdoor activity. Naghanda naman ng mga volunteer mula sa MCGI ng programa para sa kanila. Kabilang narito ang pag-eehersisyo, arts and crafts at mga palaro.
Very challenging, very interesting, and the bags are all very well done, very colorful, and indeed I think the elderly has learned something today.
Simula pa noong taong 2012 ay regular nang dumadalaw ang mga volunteer ng MCGI sa mga elder care facility dito sa Singapore. Hindi man magkapareho ng wika, baka sa mukha ng mga nakatatanda ang saya at excitement habang sila ay tinuturuan at pinasasaya ng grupo.
Yes, we have language barrier over here, but it doesn't matter. We feel great to be here, just like a second home to them. And this is the first time we are being invited here, and then she will say she will come back here, and thank you so much for inviting us. Yeah.
Sa kabuuan, 30 katandaan ang nakasama sa naturang programa.
We feel so honored, and this is something very special because I think even other organizations, they don't do that. So they feel the love and warmth so much, and even though we have language barrier, no problem. Thank you for your generosity, and yeah, God bless you.
Joan Teves para sa Serbisyong Kasangbahay.